Notable figures who left us in 1963. Before we proceed further, consider subscribing our channel to show support. Sylvia Plath. She was born on 27th October 1932. She was an American poet, novelist, and short story writer. She died on 11th February 1963 at the age of 30. The reason of her death was suicide. John F. Kennedy. He was born on 29th May 1917. He was an American politician. He died on 22nd November 1963 at the age of 46. The reason of his death was assassination. Jack Hobbs. He was born on 16 December 1882. He was an English professional cricketer. He died on 21st December 1963 at the age of 81. The reason of his death was heart attack. Zazu Pitts. She was born on 3rd January 1894. She was an American actress. She died on 7th June 1963 at the age of 69. The reason of her death was cancer. Pedro Armendariz. He was born on 9th May 1912. He was a Mexican-American film actor. He died on 18 June 1963 at the age of 51. The reason of his death was suicide. Henry Daniell. He was born on 5th March 1894. He was an English actor. He died on 31st October 1963 at the age of 69. The reason of his death was myocardial infarction. Adolphe Menjou. He was born on 18th February 1890. He was an American actor. He died on 29th October 1963 at the age of 73. The reason of his death was hepatitis. Constance Worth. She was born on 19th August 1911. She was an Australian actress. She died on 18th October 1963 at the age of 52. The reason of her death was chronic illness. Patsy Cline. She was born on 8th September 1932. She was an American singer. She died on 5th March 1963 at the age of 30. The reason of her death was plane crash. Mary Gordon. She was born on 16th May 1882. She was a Scottish actress. She died on 23rd August 1963 at the age of 81. The reason of her death was natural causes. John Sutton. He was born on 22nd October 1908. He was a British actor. He died on 10th July 1963 at the age of 54. The reason of his death was heart attack. Olive Solani. She was born on 16 December 1896. She was an English actress. She died on 21st June 1963 at the age of 66. The reason of her death was natural causes. Vida Hope. She was born on 16 December 1910. She was a British stage and film actress. She died on 23rd December 1963 at the age of 53. The reason of her death was cancer. Patty Brill. She was born on 8th August 1920. She was an American actress, singer, and dancer. She died on 3rd January 1963 at the age of 42. The reason of her death was cancer. Robert Hammer. He was born on 31st March 1911. He was a British film director and screenwriter. He died on 4th December 1963 at the age of 52. The reason of his death was alcoholism-related illness. Carmen Amaya. She was born on 2nd November 1913. She was a Spanish, Romanian, flamenco dancer and singer. She died on 19th November 1963 at the age of 50. The reason of her death was kidney failure. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share.